Are you stuck at Semrush's website limit and can't run a backlink audit? Learn how to bypass it with a free trial in under 2 minutes. First, organize your projects in folders. Then create an SEO project, and finally, use the free trial to unlock the backlink audit. First, go to your Semrush folders to organize your data. Click on the first highlight. Click on the second highlight. Click on the third highlight. Go ahead and click on Create SEO Project. You'll see a message that you've reached your limit of websites to monitor. Click on Get Free Trial. Click on Subscribing to proceed. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.